welcome to my channel. This channel is all about marketing, personal development, and building your purposeful and profitable business that you love. All right, the best place for coaches, consultants, and light workers. And in today's video, we are going to talk about why you should choose Summit as your lead generation and traffic creation lead magnet. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to make a killer summit. 3 top things why you should do Summit. So why? And if that sounds like you, let's get started. The first thing I want to talk to you about to just a preset a little bit a stage for you to understand where the summit kind of falls into the business model and where does it stand for. Business has 4 pillars that you get to fulfill in order from somebody just meet you to buy from you. And the first one is the traffic. And that's where summits is fall into it. So there's a traffic conversion, there's a traffic lead conversion and nurturing. So once the client, right, the lead, what lead means is that person that actually gave you their email and their name, that is the lead. Then conversion stage is when this lead actually bought from you and you convert them. It's still, I feel like sometimes it's the longest stage for it. And that third after stage, the how long you retain the clients, the how long you can nurture them, and they're gonna still be with you and buy from you more and more and more. It's a retention of the client. And the summit falls into the traffic category, and the traffic is the most expensive, right? The leads, say people say leads, I need more leads. It's a lead gen. By creating leads, you actually it's already kind of convert traffic. So you get to have a bigger traffic to have a little smaller leads. It all depends on like how you convert your traffic into leads and what is your conversions there. So Summit falls into the traffic. You have the traffic and you actually have, it's kind of both. You get to have a traffic and leads in the bigger amount, instead of you doing like the cold outreach and posting in random groups and not even sure who you're attracting to. So, and that was the first reason why you should do Summit, is the drives traffic. And like nothing else, this as well drives a big amount of like lots of people to your topic. And again, I spoke about how to do summits, and if you're overwhelmed somewhere in the other video where you can totally watch it and listen to the show. And look, it provides traffic that you need in order to have leads. And moving on to the next tip is why you should do the summit instead of randomly posting on social media or writing blogs that no one reads anymore, is establish authority on online space. Look, if you're just coming online and maybe in the real world, you have like such an awesome reputation in the brand, most likely when you come online, even having that awesome presence in the real world, your reputation is nothing. Nobody knows you unless you're adding millions of friends, and I doubt you have that million friends that are going to just add you right away and you will have like such an awesome brand. It takes time to establish brand and to create brand. It definitely a few months to work on, and in the best case scenario, if you have a lot of funding, so you get the traffic, like you have people that emailing for you and drives you traffic to, or unless you also have a lot of money to buy traffic, which is very expensive. And this is increase your credibility and position you when you do Summit. You interview people and you might say, I don't know how to interview people. I never done that. I don't feel comfortable. It doesn't matter, because, and before moving to the next tip, if you want to launch a summit, you definitely gotta watch this video, because it's a step-by-step launch summit process that I break down in my other episode and my other video. So definitely go there and watch the step-by-step process. And all right, moving to the next tip, grows your Facebook group. So many of entrepreneurs and coaches, consultants, and all expert speakers really want to grow their Facebook group. It's very trendy right now, and I will tell you, I grew my Facebook group till about 600 right now, targeted ideal clients without finding no one person, no one post on Facebook. How? Summits. It's people join my Facebook group and watch live. So what I do, I stream live videos to the Facebook group. And so for those who doesn't want to hold on a Zoom because it's so heavy and look, like we all zoomed out, you can monetize your summit before you even sell your own products. You don't need to have a product to do the summit. And you still can grow this warm targeted audience because it's watching you all the time. Whether, let's say you have 50 speakers, and let's say each speaker will bring about 20 people, that's like such a minimum. It's like you inviting your friends. That means you will have 1,000 leads. 1,000 leads that are warm, that want what you do. Of course, you get to do the summit on a topic that is your ideal client. This way, you will have them in Facebook group and nurture them after and pour into them so they can become your clients. And again, you can monetize it. On our last summit, we made about 4,400 before even making an offer on any products. It was just on the summit itself. I teach how to do this. If you are interested, totally DM me on Instagram, that I will highly encourage you to go and give me some love. Follow me, as we just started a new one because my old one got deleted. So give me some love, follow, and if you like this video, give me thumbs up and I will know to keep going. Next tip for you is how can you do this? Again, watch the step-by-step launch summit process for me and listen on previous episodes. And major share that I have for you today, it's you get to be in your energy. You get to manage your time well. Which means you get to have a step-by-step process that will show you exactly what you need to do, when you need to do, so you can follow to the T and have results with the summit. Because there is a summit that creates maybe 20 leads, you do not want to put all of the effort of researching and inviting and editing graphics, sending emails, and having like 50 leads, which happened before. And I do not recommend you summits in the way that, okay, I'll just make it happen and then I'll see what happens. But just do it from the first time. Follow the process. Doesn't matter. You got a course, you have a coach, but you get to follow somebody who knew how to do it, because it is a process, it is a work, but it's such a rewarding work. Once you do once, you know exactly what to do next, and the next one, it becomes so much easier. But it's the best when you step up and use your voice, listen, invite people, and you provide so much value for others. And by now in this video, you learn that the 3 reasons why you should do summit instead of randomly blogging, posting on social media, or writing long form content emails is it drives you traffic like crazy, it's established your authority on the market, and it grows your Facebook group like on the steroids. Do the summit. It's freaking amazing. You wait for the next video and for the next show, and will be about the 3 top tips that I have for productivity and focus. Give me some love on Instagram. Follow me, click this follow me button. I'm Viktoriia.miracle on Instagram, because my Instagram got deactivated, so we're starting a new one, and I'm inviting you to invite me to watch my journey on growing Instagram back to 10K. Thanks for listening and watching today, and I will see you in the next one. And remember, live is now, and your purposeful day starts today. Bye! And if you love this episode and you would love to see more of that, click the subscribe button to Purposeful Woman Podcast. And don't forget to text us to stay in tune with the Purposeful community for awesome tricks by texting to number +1 401 399 4105. And we will link descriptions in the episode to all of that we mentioned today. Bye! Turn your one day to day one with a purposeful day.